Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting video. Let's see what are we gonna create here. You have to just make the beautiful chains of these sheets and then paste it behind. This handling is gonna look beautiful enough. Now let's see here what are we going to do. Here you have to just get them made in this form. Secure the eyes and all in this way. This duckling is gonna look pretty enough. Now here you have to make this adorable frog, make the hands like this and then make it in this pattern. This is gonna look beautiful. You have to just secure the frog like this and do it in this manner. Isn't it amazing? Keep on proceeding. Now here you have to get these sheets and now you need to join them up together. Make the eyes as well and then just make it in this form. This is gonna look amazing. You have to make the hands like this and then secure it in this manner. Cool, right? You have to make the scenery look beautiful enough. Now here you have to get some rolls made in this manner. Get these antennas and further you need to paste the clays like this and make the wings look damn amazing. Now here you have to get these eyes and then just get the dots around. You have to get the heart shape patterns as well. Now here what are we up to? You have to get the ears pasted on the top and here you have to just make this mouse. This is pretty enough and adorable. Proceeding in this way, let's see what characters are we gonna draw here. You have to make these pretty cats and then with the help of these you have to arrange them up in this pattern. Let's see what are we going to do. Here you have to just do it in this way. Now get these one beautifully arranged and made in this form. This is amazing. You have to just do it in this way. Now here what are we going to do? You have to just make them up in this pattern and then just secure it in this way. Let's see, you have to arrange them and get these one done in this manner. Isn't it cool? Keep on proceeding. Now here over a white sheet, let's see what are we going to do. You have to just make the patterns like this, these sharks and all, and then make it in this form. Let's see, this is gonna look amazing. Now let's see here what are we up to. Here you have to just make the leaves and all and get them done like this. You have to make the eyes and further you have to make this little smile and make the snail ready. Put it over a leaf. Now here using these ice cream sticks, what we need to do, you have to just make the eyes and then do it in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. You have to get these sheets and then just paste it around in this way. You have to secure it and get these made in this manner. This is pretty amazing. Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we going to do? You have to get these sheets and then open it in this manner. This is gonna look amazing. You have to get these eyes pasted in this way. Isn't it amazing? Now here you have to get these sheets and then paste all over it in this way and make these one. These ducklings are gonna look cute enough. Now here what are we up to? You have to just get these sheets and now arrange them up. Get these mushrooms pasted and this is gonna look pretty amazing. Isn't it cool? Damn cute. Now here get these heart shape patterns, arrange them up in this way and you will end up getting a beautiful and cute result. Thank you guys.